Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Me were 2 stories ewa ha say. Na me pese me di bom e de bremo. I don't know which one to do first, but ye better send ye be no. Mr. Remo, we have a new YouTube channel. Link no ewa description box ni mo. Mesre say obe click na wa subscribe to that channel no amine because enche you be movie alcohol. I don't want the situation where you movie alcohol because and the melodies and the videos, melodies super positive videos, so the twin mesra subscribe to that channel no amine. Now say I have two stories. Now baako ni no efutuo bom baako in a way no ayesre kakra. That will be the second one. First one and say okọ eye ekrobi a ye frɛ no Ebra Bataya ana Bataya mambo dini ya mofa ncheme eye kura ewo Ebra Asebu kwa mankese Ebra Asebu kwa mankese em se eho na Felisofosu kwa achi sa constituency na Felisofosu kwa achi oye na adwene na ko stand as MP for NDC winya Olusuye slim Olusuye with Charlie just a very slim margin. Na okọ ehọ na is in the central region. Yachi osofo and 3 other people. Na ade na omo ye ne se emusieye e na trese womo akọhọ atrese ahomachi omo akọhọ a womo ekọ akotutu skeleton. Said the omo dikoyo the omo koyo obi nim, but a lot of people are saying say omo suspect ritual money sesikedro e na nkrofo yi ade ade no ekọ akoye. Na omukwe musie hono omukwe musie ye hono omukra eye Cutlass kotokuro emse Cutlass kotokuro ana Cutlass omusanso kra snap omukra shovel omukra kosia. In fact bayre ayamnia enu nso kro mo minim emse eka nyankoma de na wo mo koye ne ho bi omusanso kra Pickers address wo mo dia akọ cemetery ho a enya asem ketwa inti no assemblyman a owo area nimu ho no na address okobo amane a nkrofo yi ye be chi omo na ye chi nkrofo yi em say die omo ka and say they were here to take human skeleton. One say 2 different things. First one no the police for air can say encrofono na omo kwa akofa human skeleton na trese direction a omo spiritual fathers e de amo se womo nye womo nkotu nipa nkasei ene nipa tikankuru ewo emusiye ho no nti encrofono ya chi omo. Now what people don't know they say something like this, it's against the laws of the country. Inti nkrofo ye betum de omo akokot na ya chi omo ato. I don't know the punishment, the number of years ye de be mo if they are found guilty, but say emusieye okwa akotu emusieye anawe no eti amra enti family inti wo hwa say ebusuanfo bi kra no say ebia if for some reason wo feel say e wo say wo ko emusieye na omukotu ebia wo mo dehia no the way na you have to go for a court order or a police order or said untumi mfa wa wope enko because it ya Ghana mra enti no the other ho no enti ya chi omo story bi nso ayete ne say initially ya chi omo no na nkrofo no eka say o na omo baba be too good ewo ho ene ka dom say he maza good wa hanka mo good good wa hanka me baba to say good wa ha enti no that is the first story ever. Now the second story, no, the Americans say very funny and interesting as well. And they say, yachi a soldier, military, a branch, ebi mo unim say a yomu fearful za den. Okay, so this is the story. A branch here walk military training. A branch here walk military training. Wakwa Korea obi phone. Wakwa Korea obi phone. I was soldiers more. Am I a chini pakono? Now, for anyone who has gone through military training, unim say one of the earliest stages no ɛyɛ documentation no ɛne sɛ wode o ebia SHS if you are going as an officer wode o SHS results o birth certs o university degree wode saa nyama no bɛkɔ ne ya check it through ehun ne sɛ okay document na wode aba no ɛyɛ wa wodin na ɛwɔ so because one thing is say wo fill form na ɛwɔ online they will ask for all these documents into wo fill form ni wie na afɛ yɛ select wie a documentation yɛ bɛ check say forms na wo fill yɛ no ɛyɛ ɛno ho certificate na wo kita na nkyɛn no ne yɛ documentation obi a wakɔ obi so obi a wakɔ military school da anaasɛ obi a yɛ sɛ wɔkɔ military mu bia yɛ bɛ ka trɛw now after documentation what they do is they do body checks and no mo be kwa akɔbɔ adagya ɛwɔ doctors anim na sɛbe mo mbɛɛma no doctors no ɛde ɔma check sɛbe amba hwe amba mo fa nkyɛ me ɔma check sɛ ɛyɛ okay because ɔmo physically fit people na documentation no ɛne yɛsi abrantie bi wɔno nso ɛɛba as recruit akɔ wia different recruits ni phone documentation as you wakwa wia ni bakro ni phone ono nso aboy ne se oyobi a oye imposter ono nso yobi a wo ba military ni bi minim se nensa ha no ohun phone we wia bakro no complain se ni phone na ira na pa ye frɛ ya se phone ni na che se e wa branch yi ho soldiers phone be gu ne so na ban se na phone no be du a ko no ntumi nka sei na soldiers fo mu na wo koye sei nti yema military police for ebe fano na military police because the person is a civilian nti won say nanka nipa ko no onye civilian nanka military police na be delay but because oye civilian nti military police for be fano no na omde no echo police station nti nda me no ka say a branch here no police station and you see I can just tell you one thing if he had a chance now the documentation stage is a early stage. A lot of people will be dropped after the documentation stage, you know, or pass the documentation stage in the crown still shaky. But if Naka he had any chance to pass the documentation stage and then I say why because wakwa kobokro no wo na won ye ene sisi ampo na wobokro na ye de ko military school na obeda ni soldier ni e omo na ye omo ba na wa inform ho na omo akwa omo de soldiers entire no ye robbery ni nyama no we mu abi na o de sebe o ye obi a obokro no kra na at least know your environment obi be say study the room udu wa we say baby am we sa di me be ye wa ha wa ba be ye phone nso enye say phone we bia okay we mum Tecno Spark 5 phone no open a brand new 500 cedis nti ende 500 cedis nti asumesi na nka e bia wo beda ni soja ni dream na say because you see an the record wo next time or babioma there's no way they will pick him. So that's the story coming through from I think this thing happened well I think Bema camp Bema camp we be say neba say me obi a eba soldiers ne sa ansensem na eya na me di echi ye pa nti no sa ansem we there but it's rather unfortunate say BBC ABC it's rather unfortunate. Okay, so I think that's all. But the first story now in my mind, I want to say something, and it is very serious. When him say mebuno ayaba no youth no, a lot of us, what happens? They say we succumb easily to pressure, especially say you when they say you are down for be in your ska. Just say na ye ho pre gidi yenso ye baby a ye pese ye fa yenso ye benye bibia she you know fashion with trim enye wo bia asabi hunhun ne se wotena ne kan mu a ohun ne se ne niage na sebe na kremu ne niage sao uni bibia le bako na odi niti akofa. I am not saying say menye ejuma ye ejuma like briweni na ye ejuma but mema weni mbri obi because wobɛhu nipa ko ne te kaa mu paa nanso ebia nipa ko no enwumre ebia wonda ebia nipa ko no nyama bia wɔkɔyɛ yɛ nti yɛ tete no everyday but who ni ska na so da wada fine abrante bia na osofo bi ka ne ho asɛm akyerɛ me abrante ne car bia bɛba bia new car obeto car bia bɛba bia new car obeto ba kwa abrante ni fie a obe wonder say obi a wo ska say pa na wo fie tre say unti tre say ni sika wonti ma fiefo na say na sofo bi ka say abrante no wo bebi a wakɔ akɔfa na ono ne de ne say mo mfa sika ne nhwe fie sika ne kran no wontumi emfa nye ejapade because obi ka say wontumi mfa nye ejapade and no to ka nye ejapade sika ne ba new one na wato new one ba na wato ti ne fiefo ni na asomesi owoska so ni twimo oden e ko no a ko betumi abo ebusuafo pa na nso enhyehyɛ ya yɛ de ama no ende wenya sika na nso wo hwɛ a emu dekra won fili onte onyanka wankwankwankɔyɛ ti mesrɛmo see how people because of money obeda adwen ho unam emusie ye na wokotu go for ni adin o won try wan your comment box ni mo